Okay, so this video is going to show you how to enter your data into your TI Inspire calculator. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to New, and you want to go Lists and Spreadsheet. Okay, now column A, we're going to go up to column A, we're going to call that diameter, D-I-A-M. And column B, we're going to call that circumference. Okay. Skip the column with the equal sign, go down to the number 1 row, and enter your 10 values for your diameter. So I just made some up here, 5, 12, and 2. And so the circumference that I got for those values, 18, 37, and 6.3. Now remember, you can do these in either inches or millimeters, centimeters. Just keep the consistent measure. All right, once you have these entered in here, you want to go to Control plus Page, which is above the dock, and then Add Data and Statistics. Those are the data points that I just entered. You can see on each one of them, diameter 5, 18, circumference, etc. You're going to have 10 dots. You want to organize them. Your independent variable down here, go to the bottom of the screen, click on it, and let's put diameter there. And they'll all line up. Then on the top, you want to click over there and enter circumference. Now, if you've done it correctly, your points should line up, literally like a line. And what we want to do is we want to analyze that line. So we're going to Menu, Analyze, Regression. Now, regression is a way that you put data to dots, and so that we're going to see if it's a linear equation. See the top one, it says Show Linear. Mx plus b is y equal mx plus b. There it is. And I want you to observe what the slope of that line is. So when you've gotten this far, I want you to take a picture of a screenshot of this and send it to me, and then we will analyze it from there. So hopefully that will help you. If there are any questions, feel free to email me.